What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and I hope you're having an amazing day. So today we're going to be going to Bard Fountain. Along the way we're going to be showing some different scenery. Right now we're currently in Long Bay. We just stopped for a brief moment to show you guys the crystal. We're on the border of Portland and St. Thomas.
Mexico and the United States border.
AKA Mexico and the United States. Sometimes you feel like the energy is just gone. When you feel thirsty, you just have to get some water to drink, so that you can just quench your thirst. A nice cold water. Get my water now, and I'm gonna enjoy this. How much is this one?
$100.
That's 100.
Yes.
And
50.
I'm gonna get another one of these.
Beer?
I'm getting.
That one is actually a star.
So we have one show. Yeah. Yeah.
And cold beer?
It was a joy. See,
It's always.
in a black man, and there's a black life no matter.
And here we go. The mommy. Well complex taste. You taste many different flavors all in it at the same time. Bike is mainly what they ride, but it's an easier way of transportation out here, so you can just come to any little hardware store or any little shop by the corner. Oh, yeah. Alright, hold on. Just go this way. The walking. You have to make sure that you're prepared mentally, physically. Yo, you know, say I know easy something.
Where are we?
Jeez! Yo, the water hot. No, this water here no normal. Okay, so it's discovered from 1609 by the runaway slave.
Jacob Sabastine was the first that want to find it. He name in our history, you know. And from them time until this time, I use the water for healing. One of the greatest water. Any wound, any gunshot in your body, anywhere in your body, any arthritis, poor circulation, any kind of wound, this is water for it. Praise the Lord, praise the Lord. Praise the Lord.
Got the water, brother, hot. Because the water is not for the faint-hearted, you know? You guys need to be here. Witness it for yourself. To completely bask in this vast hotness of water. And oh God. Ah! Sorry guys, sorry. The water is so hot. Oh, yo, I swear I got 2nd degrees burn.
Get the whole of them down.
I got 2nd degrees burn. Oh God. My body feel like it's not even mine anymore. It smells exactly like boiled egg. They have arts and craft down here. They have the hotel. And we're finished, but we're gonna be doing some cooking, and we're gonna be going up over on the other side of St. Thomas now to go do some nice cooking. From behind the water, behind the grill.
I mean, you know, yeah, it's just, yeah, I personally look out for them too, you know what I mean? So, yeah, you know what I mean? Yeah.
And I want to do something with it. Flour and cornmeal mixed in one with breadfruit and saltfish. Look forward to that, guys.
Me no want when
This man come and talk about something.
you don't get back enough change, you know. Don't use me change. Just go on.
Prince, I hear do they look a little bit tight.
What is it?
Look a little bit tight.
So you look on the front and say look a little bit tight.
It's also getting a little bit late, but I'll try to get as much footage in so that you guys can see the finishing product after the breadfruit and the flour. You have your tomato, garlic, onion, your peppers. The seasoning inside of this pot is gonna cook down, and then the saltfish right here is going to be added. Dumpling, yam, and it's the content on the inside you want to be eating. And yeah. Slice it straight down the middle. Then you plate it. So like I said, guys, you have to cut out the middle of the breadfruit, which would be classified as the heart of the breadfruit. And then you cut the breadfruit in pieces and then just plate it according to what the menu is. How you enjoying the food? It's amazing.
Yummy. Yummy. Mad man.
And I just mainly got breadfruit because the breadfruit is the main attraction on this plate right now.
Come on, me have to go cause me a car. I pull off his teeth. I pull off his
This is amazing.
no.
The breadfruit, the dumpling, and the sawfish. It's really hitting the spot right now. Been starving all day. The driver have me on the road, not eating. So the little chance that I get, I just want to put something in my system, rejuvenate for the next day. But I'm gonna finish up this food, guys, and stay tuned for the next video. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification.